fufu kodi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Now be able kodi.
That's the thing when we
divine selection no akaye. Yes. Let's just say the energy ho pass ye de ensem no de bre etie no. And no I say why Cradwa who they brave from the international scene. I didn't air coso the international front, no.
Oh, international front, no say they be a Mekasaya in some doors. Yes, doors, no more. Near de, and a boabano, and I did bread, yes, for so intino, one say, and then pay a babano, near doors and dra. By the day, my bob and my son is so and then a payment bread a year, it's here for 20 years. I'm expecting something a year bigger and interesting from the foreign front. Alright, it was for Namika, it was biographics night, and I saw my senior made a foreign business and the unpaid. Within the man Latif Shaku, the only sports journalist with the Ponamika, it was on Facebook. So, I didn't say, Mamma, Facebook. Yes, I'm Facebook. I'm on board a Bell GHTV. Yes, I'm on board Bell GHTV. I'm here. I'm on like a page, no. I'm on like a page, new year. I'm on comment. Yes, I'm on comment. We are not my name. No, my share. Yes, on my share. My come on, papa. All right, not mentioning some Nasidia, not me call a year Wolverhampton for a Akache. A year Wolverhampton for say they will replace their coach a year Nuno Espirito Santos with a year coach and in the year Joseph a year Mourinho and then some a year Wolverhampton at the airbar a year Wolverhampton for 1 day. So I won't say they will replace their coach a year in the year Nuno Espirito Santos with a year Joseph a year Mourinho and then some a year Wolverhampton for Akache airbar. Mama Liverpool so akachia and as a Premier League akachin so a Premier League for say their favorite say Jurgen Klopp will leave a year Liverpool this season like obey the next manager after say Mourinho if you know obey the next manager on also be the English Premier League more on also better in a different team and I say on also coach na home kakra yes when say this is in Shouldn't Liverpool National clubs means a pressure no one so say means the rumors so when you have pressure to achieve more yes and also means if you eba but me feel also the aname call Gerard Piqué so in Zambia also Super League no abasa be destroy a football ecosystem no yes a brand and in Gerard Piqué and then sema odiapa or see a Super League no abasa be destroy a football ecosystem to say Gerard Piqué is also not in support of the Super League. Now so a Barcelona president Joan Laporta say the Super League is necessary. Yes. Yes. Also, Gerard Piqué is also a shareholder in Barcelona. And as I'm a president, and in Joan Laporta. And also claim saying the Super League is necessary. Yes. And also the players who say the Super League has come to support the football ecosystem. So in the same question the division about. And so Super League you starting experience in Phillies and city and division and the baba because I did hear about best starting be honest and you see who no what you say say maybe who say evil maybe so who say sika and coffee be actually no more Super League ever maybe so who say really e beboa enti I didn't say almost started yes someone started there yes and send your musician no Fiorentino or percent or Tono Boasi na Omujituma then he needs to give himself some time yes and you are convincing football clubs and their supporters to be with you and you want to Boasia you make errors all right mama to a branch and in the Tammy Abraham Utsina kan Emma Chelsea FC the English Premier League no also the Zambia or say or show this summer dear or Befi Chelsea dining natural Premier League club for one say after say coach and Thomas Tuchel a Chelsea no a branch and in Tammy Abraham and so that any playing time papa bia out in bench they be out bench team or say afuno into so hwe na Chelsea M1 or switch a club from Chelsea na or then natural club English Premier League club interested now on so akọ join a club no mama fi also na call AC Milan so akachia a branch about Zlatan Ibrahimovic yes Zlatan Ibrahimovic unze e ban ball mo Zlatan Ibrahimovic obeye papa ono so etumi assign 1 year extension ewo ye AC Milan che say watuma ko bon humodin papa ewo AC Milan and now to move AC Milan playing for so eni agi mbone bo obeye ne oda be boa team no nti wotumi assign a 1 year contract ewo ye AC 1 year contract extension ewo ye AC Milan and then say ma efi honum so eba mame ko Ansu Fati so akache Ansu Fati young champa ono so esinya kan ema Barcelona won say in the season no otuminya injury bia etumi disturbing no papa ya na ntie say Ansu Fati ebesan so akọ another surgery on after say the injury no a delay am penny for nti o say obesan so anya another surgery surgery obekoye no ewo ye Lyon. Yes, and then sema efio enzo eba. Mamenko William so akache. William so the same biaba. Na William say anybody you pass on so be see akan away the Major League Soccer IFL MLS away the USA anymore. Now say answer na obefie ya Arsenal akọ MLS no. Not just say waje bibi ama Arsenal. And then sema William. Yes. Waje bibi ama Arsenal. And our fans so say and the answer na William waje bibi ama Arsenal there. And they say 2087. Hey! Na Arsenal there. Who say Arsenal yeah team omo ta change sa
individual player no e ambition so be bibia
yes ama Arsenal. But fans and then Dabi because Arsenal a team they can't compete in the English Premier League and then yeah who say
and you be here, say player person GBB my team. Where then a fans be catch as a massa. We dream near too high, and I would team. Yeah,
easy. All right, my try and seven so yeah. I was next week, Tuesday where airby. Nanka was say Chelsea near Real Madrid, and then she so the UEFA Champions League semi-final. Now so UEFA 4 and in Zimbabwe. No more say Senna Real Madrid for almost withdraw from the ESL no the European Super League. No, almost say Ometunya expel Real Madrid from the UEFA Champions League. That's just say the match against Chelsea in Real Madrid no or make cancel a game no. And then Sema UEFA ever. All right, Mama Traso dia Real Madrid defender and I'm captain. And in this Sergio Ramos was recover from the COVID-19 now. You see how on your positive ABM. And the Real Madrid fans no. Almost as when you defender they didn't do Sergio Ramos. Which me recover from the corona virus and also in sema epa. All right, my main trust to dia Barcelona for penny for it me I confirm say they are still in the European Super League after say the 9 English teams no it's me withdraw from the English Super the European Super League no but Barcelona for say they are still in the European Super League no more there omunya and withdraw all right, my trust to dia na me call Real Madrid so akache Real Madrid player they didn't Ferland Mendy otuminya injury kaka now so coach and they didn't Zinedine Zidane and team biaba or say Ferland Mendy injury no and should I serious now so say about say UEFA every match Chelsea ni Real Madrid game semi-finals no every so dia and the brand and didn't Ferland Mendy able to nyasi akan ama Real Madrid in that game now so a brand and didn't Lucas Vazquez and so Sergio Ramos say about say UEFA actually ma Chelsea ni Real Madrid game ne baso dia Ramos ni Lucas Vazquez omutumi nti akan ewo the UEFA Champions League ni ma eba ma me fi also dia na me call Bayern Munich so akacha Bayern Munich player ni Eric Maxim Choupo-Moting or then so episode or signing 1 year extension Bayern Munich after say or joining Bayern Munich from PSG utumu say iniaji papa Bayern Munich nti or say or signing 1 year extension FC Bayern Munich ma me fi also dia Branton dindi Hurricane osina kan ema Tottenham Hotspur utumi kaya utumi ya injury 2-2 draw amkobo Goodison Park ne ye Everton now you say yen say abrante no peki e ba kakaka say injury no call into onya na fitness no kakaka into no they are looking forward say abrante ne din dey Hurricane ebetumi asia kan in the Carabao Cup final eba yes into Hurricane no they say oh yeah fit ba kakaka otumi recover all ba kakaka enso but if you also there Edison Cavani see or per se ofi Manchester United at the end of the season they say utumu say Oba United no the NG club no cause Oba no na expectations now compare to other club na no utumu say kosa man nti or the same bia ba or say or per se ofi Manchester United at the end of the season and then sema abrante and dindi Edison Cavani and so aba ewo ho na mamento aswa dia aya Premier League aya impinin for and so edin sim biaba almost the rules are the new rules and the bekan aya rules ewo ye the Premier League nemu almost say rules we know ebema aya no member of their league will join the European Super League so what man say this year the rules but they say ebia so we feel the English Premier League go joining the ESL ebia you will find bia e be you and I say you will one or two things and I say asutwin bia e de be ma ewo and so ne sema a Premier League in penny for and so e de eba ewo honom so all right mamento aso dia abrante ne dindi Eduardo Camavinga just osinaka ema Stade Rennais ewo France league ni mo adia Bayern Munich epo say almost sign abrante 18 years abrante 18 years abrante ne dindi Eduardo Camavinga adia Bayern Munich for epo say sign abrante na abrante na Real Madrid person almost sign no na so Bayern Munich for ehun say Real Madrid for slow inti omo pe say omo ye den omo tumi go overtake Real Madrid no mo tumi ye den omo tumi sign abrante na ne dindi Eduardo Camavinga yes eno to ne nsema den efio eba mama ento aso dia Jabal Pique kwaya enso edin simbiaba or say onim the future of Messi ye Barcelona but ye kasa sisi idea Messi eniaji papa
Barcelona
eniaji na niaji stay ni stay Barcelona die
so far
the eniaji now so say ye kasa onim the plans Messi or say onim Messi plans as and now but Messi eni aji papa Barcelona and then sema Jabal Pique also the aba Andrea Mazzi bina so me say me more results no ema for yes and for now almost so much more Pique so mutim elusu you so mutim ewin you so mutim ni ebo drawer na almost so my them almost so much more Pique omodie all right Andrea the English Premier League no Arsenal ni Everton etumi the share so Everton etumi eko away eko the Emirates Sports Stadium as we watch Arsenal a ball na cover kwa went to me anti Arsenal FC Cologne you call the German Bundesliga FC Cologne etumi kochi Osberg a ball na 3-2 away na you call the France Ligue 1 Marcel etumi che Reims a ball na Kamiensa Reims etumi ti e kanmu baako enso ewo mamfu also dia won say and there akoya 24th no and there akoya Saturday no and there akoya weekend ni die match be na enso be kokoso and there's some boys be now so be dem e be twa bet ni adia yo and then a bet ni adia bet e be kokoso it me say me bo and there fixtures are ewo ho yes the 24th of April and then fixtures are ewo ho na you call the English Premier League ni mo Liverpool or Newcastle United at the very so at 11:30 AM yes Liverpool Newcastle United at the best so and so ever sounds like West Ham United and Chelsea and so at the best so and Sheffield United and so Brighton and Hove Albion and so at the best so ever now you call the La Liga Santander Elchine Levante Edway Cheso sounds na Real Valladolid on the Cadiz and so Edway Cheso Valencia ni Deportivo Alaves and so Edway Cheso Real Madrid ni Real Betis and so Edway Cheso ewo na yeko the Germany the Bundesliga Freiburg ni Hoffenheim at the bay so Mainz 05 ni Bayern Munich and so at the bay so Union Berlin and so any Werder Bremen and so at the bay so sounds like Wolfsburg and so Borussia Dortmund and so at the bay so ever now Bayer Leverkusen so any Eintracht Frankfurt and so at the bay so ever now you call the Serie A no Italia Genoa Spezia and so at the bay so Parma and so any Crotone and so at the bay so Sassuolo no so any Sampdoria and so at the bay so ever now you call the France Ligue 1 Saint Etienne and so in Brest at the bay so Mainz and so in Paris Saint-Germain and so at the bay so ever now Ochina Sunday no Wolverhampton English Premier League no Wolverhampton and Burnley and so at the bay so Leeds United ni Manchester United and so at the bay so Samson Aston Villa and West Brom Albion and so at the bay so now you call the La Liga Santander no Sunday yes Sunday fixtures na me boss we La Liga Santander SDA Huesca and Getafe at the bay so sounds like Villarreal and Barcelona and so at the bay so Celta Vigo ni Osasuna and so at the bay so Sevilla and Granada and so at the bay so Atletico Bilbao and Atletico Madrid and so at the bay so now you call the Germany Bundesliga RB Leipzig and Stuttgart and so at the bay so Borussia Mönchengladbach and so ni Arminia Bielefeld and so at the bay so now you call the Italian Serie A no Benevento and Udinese and so at the bay so ever Fiorentina and Juventus and so at the bay so Inter Milan and Verona and so at the bay so Cagliari ni AS Roma and so at the bay so ever Atalanta ni Bologna and so at the bay so ever now me call the France Ligue 1 no Nice ni Montpellier and so at the bay so Lens ni Nimes and so at the bay so Lorient and Bordeaux and so at the bay so Rennes ni Dijon and so at the bay so Strasbourg and 90 at the bay so Angers Monaco and so at the bay so sounds like Lyon Lille and so at the bay so ever now me call Monday's fixtures now Monday the Ebebano Leicester City and so any Crystal Palace at the bay so the English Premier League no now you call the La Liga Santander Monday Everton Real Sociedad and so at the bay so now you call the Italian Serie A no so Torino ni Napoli at the bay so Monday na Lazio ni AC Milan and so at the bay so when the fixtures are Ebebaso over this weekend now me can say was pure graphics and then so much the following tidbit no at the April no na me kind of say or me go Facebook yes I'm go Facebook it for go Facebook no mo bo Bell GHTV I'm bo Bell GHTV I'm bo Bell GHTV I'm be am like page no I'm like page we are I'm comment e wa ase I'm comment e wa ase we are no mind them no ma share am I come na me kind of say me dim the man Latif Shakur the only sports journalist with tempo won say seminar na doso mum near the about one na yes and the break 84 all right okofo there me jemu e ha na also odien atoa tumedie so
man Latif and the foreign tidbits no from the international scene or the abre in the world of sports and Memenda Anope 24th of April 2021 we are still on the Bell Power Sports show now me say for say adwuma bi wo ha friend Jim na adwuma bi wo ho a nei emranti tv ya friend Jim say adwuma bi sa ho a moma yehu what you say because I've come across a video no ababe argument na ebe yi sa video no e de a kire etifo e de ahwefo no mo so abekire o madwen say adwuma bi wo ho a ye friend no na I say no on the local scene yes started with news about the Ghana Premier League and DJ Kwapsiga at the Ghana Premier League and you know the deno or the betum amaya no pay. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's
Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. The day Reshamwa. Say a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. The day Reshamwa.
So this is our own the Ghana Premier League. Yeah, the N7 and every war. And the same radio. The 21st round officials no in the second round of the league no they break a team free na won said so MIA matches na start free ne start free and
is back again since the days of Shamokwe we've been there and one league is back again since the days of Abetasaki we've been there Women's Premier League is back again.
Yes, the team for na uhwemu say enei no ye komu a Dansuman Liberty Professionals or money break home Chelsea e be share e wo Red Bull Arena. Red Bull Arena e wo so ga kopɛ e hona sa match sonkwen o mo de be hyehyɛ so na referee Eric Sifa entry e be gina emu na wato ayirem e de ama agodifoɔ no assistant referee Mumuni Fuseni ene Freeman Awulo fourth referee Eric Owusu Prempe and a match commissioner Andrew Stamaklo venue media officer Seth Akwe GFA cameraman Emmanuel Latte and nobody said you might be from Queen ever so Red Bull Arena now who says the same way no and I'm said yeah try say a big hooliganism national GFA cameraman no it be more abasem what I say who hold to be could chat a full match 9-10 minutes match with extra time no that's it something untoward it me happen during the match now you better have video now cameraman ni try no na onya 20 minutes and answer 10 minutes let's say nsem hunu esi wo park na so ai de be dia dance ni nyina ni ko and say the VFA cameraman or no say the dia ba betudwa say bibi ko etochima na say ye ntimi an capture ono ene ni pa ye be ko akọ ye de akọ bisa no e de etwa so de na che say
Sunday.
Yes, there's still one match today. What I say? Okay. And then no Asante Kotoko and Mediama live on Star Times. What I say? Some match no live on Star Times. When you know Lenkley Sports Stadium, and I'm saying every I can say bye bye renovation works are air cost. Yes. And they say no Kumasi Asante Kotoko adopted Lenkley as their home team. Referee Adare Abdul Latif ebe jina fifi no ato ayire. Assistant referee Patrick Papala and Team Musa. The fourth referee is Obed Dankwa. Na match commissioner Michael Into Aye. Venue media officer Nugu Adams. What I say? Say you may be ebe hyehyɛ so ewo Obuase Lenkley Sports Stadium. And the Kroya so no 24th April no. Ebusua Dwarfs, Cape Coast Ebusua Abontoa Dwarfs. Omone Accra Great Olympics.
Yes.
And run live on that no pass no fefe no besin twemu. What I say Olympics for show seriousness. Match ni ene eno besin koi. Oma kope baby abo mo ho adwa no pe oma ye training. Match ni baso na awie 3 p.m. Cape Coast Sports Stadium. Referee Joshua Samaji ebegina mfifi na watu ayire. Na assistant referee Emmanuel Dolagbanu ene Thomas Nginiye. Omo ene ba begina mu as assistant referee. Fourth referee there Bashiru Dauda. Match commissioner Paul Ayamba. Ena media venue media officer na Lukman Ayinde. It is our matches in and no etoja na ye ko Sunday e yo china dia it is the matches na edoso enti ye benya Wafa West African Football Academy against 11 Wonders and also because so ewo Red Bull Arena ewo Sugar Kope so nim say Sugar Kope ho no Red Bull for no ebe say Red Bull Ghana so what I say drew maybe omo manage omo see Red Bull Arena kama and I drew send maybe now who said no so mujaho and I say na go mo afete finals so omo so hye ho na omo so pese omo so ko and I no mo kabo mu no mo ye no West African Football Academy e wo so gape ho na ko adwuma wo die no enya agro krakrakra no che na omo ne 11 Wonders match no referee Daniel Lai and na ogine mfifi wato ayire na assistant referee Kwesi Brobe and Roland Adi eso ebeboa no fourth referee Julian Nuno na match commissioner Mike Amedio na venue media officer Tilda Akolo na GFA cameraman na oko ho no ye frɛ no Emmanuel Latte Emmanuel Latte. Ochina Kroya 25th April 2021. Legon Cities versus Dreams FC. Ket ES Okreku GFA president team Dreams FC. Na match ibe koso ewo Accra Sports Stadium. Referee Jones Akubiem ebe jina fifi atwaire. Assistant referee Kenneth Tunebo Akodia and Ali Temuaba ono suso ebe boa main referee na fourth referee Patrick Ochi. Match commissioner ebe Moses Abedu. Venue media officer ebe Desmond Wolanyo and a GFA cameraman no ebe Ismail Odate Mills. Na ye kom susua na che say the final match I bet me akoso sorry the two last matches I bet me akoso ochina no 25th April no Karela United versus Accra Hearts of Oak. So Karela United versus Accra Hearts of Oak. Na say match be koso Cosby Awua Memorial Park. Cosby Ewa Memorial Park. Na referee Jacob Adontera ebejina mfimfin, assistant Isaac Nyameche and Steven Balangwena ono so ebeboa amadwumedie no akoso. Fourth referee Akuji Martins and a match commissioner Charles Dakwa. Venue media officer Steven Apaka Kweku. Afe so Ash Gold and so ebeshia Bechem United ewo Lenkley Sports Stadium Kwesiada. Assistant referee obejinemu omoye Al Hassan Abdul Rauf and a Pascal Mausi. Na main referee no Selom Yao Bless. Fourth referee Kenny Paddy. Na match commissioner so Gigby Glow Williams. Venue media officer Nuhu Adams. Na cameraman Oko Kweku Kweni. Na inter allies so ebeshia Ken Pfizer. In fact Ken Pfizer be omoda ewo league no so table no nyagro enye ni kafra
last week omo boss
yes
Alaju Cruiser if VIP seat ever touch line with Kochi boys
be omo da enye nika what you say we say no adumbi na league onye bi boy what you say free normalization time no nyina na adumbi na epia Ken Pfizer ade ni nemo na still the ekoso no enye nika emma team aye frɛ no Ken Pfizer. Na sa match no a omo be go no because so Theater of Dreams allies and Ken Pfizer match no because so Theater of Dreams. Referee Musa Mubarak ebe jina fifi atwaire na assistant Tijani Mohammed and Gilbert Adom Mensa omoso aboano na fourth referee Imoro Osman. Match commissioner Jacob Amegache. Na afi venue media officer Frederick Jan Mante and a GFA cameraman Herbert Semako na omode say adwumadie ebebre etifo na ne kwakrakrakro ne ye kɔ na Ajiman Bedu Park ewo Bono region mu hono a na kyerɛ sɛ Adriana Stars na eba bechi Elmina Sharks ahostu omo ewo hɔ be ka kyerɛ omo ba bechi Elmina Sharks yɛsɛ omo be hwɛ omo agro no betimi akɔ sɛ ne betimi akɔ bia na Ajiman Bedu Park hono referee Bismarck Apia ebejina fifi atwaire assistant Prosper Avino and Frederick Danfo. Fourth referee Selom Pomegwe and a match commissioner Odro Nyakon. Venue media officer Vincent Apabe and a GFA cameraman Paul Egbenya. San Sensemi AFA GFA Ghana Premier League in Sensemno Man Latif Adaroma Obwabwa ni nyina no the brain Bell Power Sports yen so ye de abremu na ye hwe matches a eba be koso ewo in the 21st round of fixtures imu ye hwe pa dia na che ukọ Mediema Football Club o catch dia won say omo any Legon Cities match no and Justice Play onya injury onya serious career threatening injury na say nyame adom ati say kakrakra ne tono eba
Legon Cities for year dey manage after say player it me pra a year Justice Play
yes
after the game no to me ebe release statement
yes
I try say player no answer that or have any bad intentions or the call yeah Justice Play
yes
and then year ne sanwin they cheer me home
statement no oh yes
manage
oh yes you say the spirit of sportsmanship is coming back what I say agrono ya anko say kwakopra what you say? I didn't cry fight is a hooligan be year frame. Now on the pitch, no player beat me co pro beer. And you can say a boapaye. it's the team no with the mind a modern mentality o metimi aba back issue statement that ye bo abaso going forward no so no em say Lagos City for no so can say they are even prepared say in the treatment of Justice Blay no say Kabi Bampo
yes
bet ba contact him so what I say now him say Mediama SC omu team owner Moses Amapaka no Oscar
yes
but yenhwe say in a kind gesture no Lagos City bet my bibi e dey aboa Justice Blay a case na ehwemu a na che say former Elmina Sharks midfielder friend Benjamin Arthur ono na say the Mediama ehwe say omo de ne besi omo team no e dey ahye Justice Blay anan what I say we don't know so ba obetumi partner Richard Boadu so midfield ho ama Mediama niema akoyi ama omo na goalkeeper Frank Boateng Eric Oforianchi Da Costa Owusu sa goalkeeper si so yade omo Mediama omo hwese omo goalkeeping department no e be tough pa midfield omo Rashid Norte omo striker Ahmed Toure no oba belidi attack no for them in the 21st round of fixtures and going forward. What I say? Omo ko serve one match ban. What I say? Rashid Norte on Ahmed Toure omo ko serve one match ban. But I say the omo ba. Until this weekend they are back in action. Share for and share no omo ye. Omo show back in action. Now Kerala United any has a folk match no. What I say? Also has to focus so second on the league table. By all standards, that match is a very important match because they decide that say has to focus to mean full 3 points no. A bit more propelling no. A big bit more with that league ne talk.
Because Mediama so head and achieve just a single point behind.
Exactly.
Yes. Obia go into this game with exactly with the winning mentality because we dear bro. We have a child is here.
Let me catch us a league in a very competitive.
The baby child if you position no be a child.
Exactly.
It's about and the match you know will be a fan of World Cup.
Will be a fan of World Cup.
Will be a fan of final.
That's why it's important say be matches ni. What you say? Oko Karela or Makachia. They say no dia why say la omo no top striker. I say no or struggle. What you say? O need form sir. And they likely say Kwame Boateng best starting. I'm Karela. So what you say? They likely say Kwame Boateng best starting. Now Sadiq Al Hassan ene Omar Bashiru omo ena omo no ebe lead some midfield action Ediama Karela as against Emmanuel Neke and Nuruddin Alasan omo so eba be Masha has of folk for a midfield no now he say no predictions are ever I just say enka by all stands can say has with me 8 enya full points in this match nanka omo timi e a properly omo in their campaign to win the title league no the league title. But they say predictions say Karela so betimi agina brane no money has a folk aponti ponko abo 1-1 what I say abo 1-1 in the match way and your match I expected too many goals it is a tier 4 so percent udi sika o sa match we ho atie and your match I expected too many goals what I say say o kwa at least under 4.5 and now under 3.5 media. What I say now they are quite tumboko no way what I say your match I expected too many goals so we so so be a on be boano likely say Karela betumi any has aboti what I say and you betumi akọ ebia win or draw for has or win or draw for Karela but okwa no ahweniye hwe both teams no be a form or they call what I say who has a higher motivation to win this match. And only a very crucial deciding factor has a very high motivation to win this match.
Oshe top 4
yes
Asante Kotoko Accra Great Olympics Heart of Folk Mediama Oshe on match this weekend
yes
what you say Obeka say ensure get tough by tough
because
the Ghana Premier League you can't predict the Ghana Premier League
tough matches now they yes Kotoko leaders omone Mediama third on the league this weekend
Mediama yes
now Mediama will be led by Ahmed Toure in their striking department. What I say? So far, all 4 goals for Mediama.
Or form, or Sasu or form.
Or form, yes, what I say? Now, one thing about Kotoko, so say, you started the second round of the league. They are undefeated. They are undefeated. What I say? The West Hawaii say, about draw. But they are undefeated. And into no Ushemua, not 4-1, a Kotoko. the motivation to win this match. No, also maintaining the position on the league table as league leader. No, Chelsea Kotoko 4 will have motivation to win this match. What I said, or maintaining the position, no, was solidifying in a way. What I said, until the predictions I have banished Kotoko beating me at check. Mediama, I bought 2-1. or Basel and Clay Sports Studio. What I say, and only idea. SAT for Etimi Eshenson, Kotoko 4 higher motivation. They are informed. They have not lost in the second round. What I say, and a media man also tied on the league table. Almost also a very fierce striker leading the attack for them in the person of Ahmed Toure. What I say, so far also 4 goals. Into Shemu Justice Blade now we're free money bit my problem. I'm a media kakra, but. Predictions I Banicha say 2-1. And you know, ubetimi according in the form of goals at least over 0.5, over 1.5. What I say, win or draw for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nah, Charlie, now go in the middle odds. Akaka ubetimi Eddie. Nah, yeah, queen. A tip for a cat for some mumra Facebook. Now, my sa video in my. On my Facebook, now I have video in my a brand 10 gram. What do you do for living? 10
or say I gym.
What do you do for a living, please?
I gym.
Gym is not a work. I said, what do you do for a living?
I say I work near them.
What do you do for a living, please?
I gym.
Gym is not a work. I said, what do you do for a living?
I say I work near them.
What do you do for a living, please?
I gym.
Gym is not a work. I said, what do you do for a living?
I say I work near them.
Bell Power Sports.
Radio.
Malatif. Gym in a human as a Jimmy na ye juma na se nye juma.
Always on to no. Ye juma mano. Yes. So no ye juma mano.
So he's prepared to defend it.
Jimmy the Jimmy the enye juma. Enye juma e beti okay. Yes.
Ye janika.
Sa o ko Jim na o Jim na o peja dadie ne ade o wi o wan be beti okay.
I see.
Nane ne en nimpo na ye mesem. O se kwa se enye Jim ne enye juma na ede.
Enye juma na ede.
Only the Jumadin. Only the Jumadin. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Jumadin. Oh, Jim Ho. Oh yeah, Jumano. Nice one. Na ye ko GF for Akachia. Latif. Unse Sembre GF no eye edwumaku a from the committees any year adwuma. What I say? GF no ye ka GF president Kurt ES Okreku a. Enyo no kwa na ye adwuma wo na kache ho. What I say? Committees akodo ho a. And no, hwese omo penny pa qualify. Omo do matoto so. Na omo timi aboa. Ye hwe say Black Satellite Management Committee. A team bi omo hwe ye Ghana under 20 team no. What I say? Na say ready ye ko GF for akache a. Omo dey atubia say Dr. Randy Ambe. Dr. Randy Ambe ono na ye House of Lions team owner. Ono na ye say no ye dey na to Black Satellite Management Committee as chairman. What I say? Na ye komu ewo Black Satellite Management Committee no mu a. It is omo no omo hwe say Black Satellite omo sensem say bia omo ko tournament say bia ye pe coach ye pe team ye build ye free players ni ade sa committee and omo hwe say sa ntutu ye ni nyina omo beye ama Black Satellite no ama ye dwuma bia ye akonkan na Black Satellite no team bia Ghana yakoma da omo pa. What I say? Ebi so omo win wafu zombi cup. What I say? Africa under 20 cup of nations no. Omo so akwa je abrel Mauritania and say anti team bia Ghana no e say ye me ani ko ho ye me yakoma e da omo ho. Ye timi groom omo a omo betimi e the glory na abrel. What I say? Na Black Satellite Management Committee no the chairman 11 won the CEO so abeya yakome. Ono so eka ho. What I say? As vice chairman Ena Samuel Abu Abiri also kahon as member. Alhaji Abu Hassan also kahon as a member. Ismail Hamidu kahon as member. Ena Noel Eugene also kahon as a member. Entine hwem ekomu anake say Black Satellite Committee omo team members no na Lemford Asamoah Buedu papa eno ye Eastern Regional football association or chairman Eastern Regional RFA no or chairman no and a team owner for Oda Kotoku Royal. What I say? Oda Kotoku Royal. Na komu e GFA catch there. Let us say ono was say executive council member na same radio they did not to chairman of the Black Princesses Management Committee. What's a Black Princesses here team one? I was a Ghana no yakuma eda omo every say omo ye ma eti omo na ya bobo mo se ba Black Queens no makwa jen munyam e de abre enti Linford asemo abuadu on ni team no na se ni committee no na chairman Abena Brigidi ono na vice chairperson na Yakubu Asamani member Linda Anson so member Noah Asare member na Christian Isaac Mensa and so a member I was GFA committee on for Black Princesses no na ikomu ebio susu a coach Samuel Boadu has of folk coach ono susu enya Black Lives appointment from the GFA what I say ikomu anase coach Samuel Boadu ni duma pa o ye ni modemu a obo on the touchline no GFA for eni ehu what I say it say no ma friend no so say omra na Ghana under 20 male nationality Black satellites no ya fan shanisa what I say ya fa enshanisa na unze they say na djuma na idea ma coach Boadu no eso what I say obe assist Karim Zito Abdul Karim Zito na say jama Black satellites no enam na say feats a ma achieve no to ho we coach na dey wo ko ha na say we careful because you cannot go and bring the achievements down what I say level like dey Black satellites na kwa kodru no the coach Karim Zito dey similar Akobwana na Okobwana say we dey no be call on the flying superway what I say am team na akofa because they say in Ghana you need a so back any Black satellite na you say the coach Samuel Boadu
I think
the assistant
coach Samuel Boadu bet my Juma no you started this project here now mo peke under 15
yes
obekaya yes mo call nationwide peke some youth place under 15 now it was headed by coach Samuel Boadu so I think say he going to assist Mr. Abdul Karim Zito no I think say everybody and I share coach Samuel Boadu so to say the money boy so here with touchline papa
oh yes
because we share the time our Mediama FC no would you say like otmi team lead so I think say coach Samuel Boadu no it is very good for the job so I think say omonko no mo fa team boom yes and your way like say we be use adwon kro na we use na adwon kro na akos split but and togetherness unity and togetherness no mo fa nye ejuma no na yes we because under 20 na this year eje Ghana mind yes this year under 20 energy no mo na
oh yes I want to say there
and I want to bring it back the love yes into the best mo pass they should really help the boys to achieve more things
Latif and some no yet the bar here now to be reverend okoyi the shensu as even the rumor what you say the NPA and confirm here no Latif timi ko reverend koyiba and wakwa koyi on said na say na ye ka say coach Ignatius
yes
the Jima like even what the for any ye twitwi
yes
ama suspension bi ni ade suspension enya than sack push comes to show suspension adane there adane sack na coach say on tiase e kwan a 11 wonders 4 fast so edi na di no
just because of Liberty match now
what I say Liberty match no hon sensem no a ma pe kwan bi so edi sensem na minim say coach say promo sa na say won tiase a za kwan da ho say odi wa asem ko akokoto empanifo ani me o GFA no mo hwehwem na say kra na coach Samuel Boadu o free
Mediama
eba you know
it's a semi by
it's a same ba ho Mediama for complain when you coach I no we get team na team no so no o pan coach I no so vice versa there are consequences and the coach should not worry so na say dem kwa there on fan company for I say I am shocked Kwai omo fa so omo come no
cause meti suspension no the material say
yes
in their next 3 matches no omo manage to touch
exactly
that's what I heard but later no cause later the rumors be say yes sack and then the idea but sure Ignatius no I think Ignatius was FAT 11 wonders team no
yes
cause sure the way a man coach no with na touchline or to motivate guys no I don't think say I bet not say I bet too much now my Liberty professional just because he didn't use certain players against Liberty professionals. So I think there was some mujai football there again. Yes, anything happens in football. Liverpool meet Barcelona bono 4-0 in the comeback. Ujubaga say Barcelona soon a two match. Football game. You should just understand the game. Say it's either a win, a draw, or a lose.
Yes.
And it's hard to win in football. Either you win, you lose, or you draw. And I was say your supporters no what you say.
And no such as no munya. What you say? But at time, you say Koswane two supporters for. Say Debiana. Coach, elusi match penny a pam. What they coach some Maso Konedu. What I say? Yes. Just after one result, Nanins and some bassa, they are copam. I feel who says he can't cram into any idea, Necoma team, any eguas. Sometimes also no fans no more pressure, a crab no team owners or mediate. Because coach almost say football is for the fans. So they are also doing the thing in the interest of the fans. But me fool say even if you be influenced by fans, pressure there you the team managers no more will be to work on the team. You should be sure for whom you are taking, and you should also know say football now any results can come in. Sometimes if a coach is not performing, clearly you'll be able to say no, this coach is not performing. But sometimes coach is on the super way. Now HS Kakraba. Now
Pep Guardiola
what you say?
Pep Guardiola starting leg no. Nay ups and downs.
What you say? Is it on the top leg? What you say?
And also carry.
Teams no.
I was saying you have to check. I was saying
every bemo any coach Ignatius for Subedin Komo. What you say? Somebody him say somebody shock no abano. Or to tune nema. You be production na and kakra. Me boa Monday and no akasa the next the way forward or no decision what take so or the bed or they now only said ni or that talent is so I resign what I say I head coach of Elmina Sharks what I say Elmina Sharks name no struggle coach as resign to say as na bail to where afede team ra majority shareholder of the Accra House of Folk or no na papa or can be or can say empusu or House of Folk now or no wa dispatch Alexander Coman what I say Alexander Coman onkoje na home and some no endorse what I say and some no endorse na e ka say Elmina Sharks so the statement about concerning the resignation of Ni Odatilante. Now, a class statement from Elmina Sharks. I say the management and technical team of Elmina Sharks FC have noticed with grave concern news going around various radio stations and social media that our head coach Ni Odatilante has resigned. We want to state unequivocally that Ni Odatilante is still at post as head coach of the fearsome Elmina Sharks. We want to urge our players, supporters, stakeholders, and the general public to disregard such fabricated story, obviously aimed at disrupting the good works being done so far. We are the fearsome Elmina Sharks. Buchiaku ma. Now listen, the rumors never say. Now the club also issue statement say from one angle. What I say? There could be something propelling those rumors. What I say? Hey, na coach name come give you privately.
Yes.
I did what I say? Now, and now say team there, omunya formal notice no, they will remain firm. Say coach no, is still at post. What I say? Until the big gauge story no from both angles. Near whom baby e be air there and na diction na diction. And we will make the team 11 wonders. Don't person mo pam coach or mo de cover suspension. Na anche bia no. Say na nya P. Enti na ye benya abotre for enya abotre. Say me dey na e ka mo say DJ Kwap Sega Professor Wakaye say ye bre no kwa na e kwa ye nimeti e be koso na ensem no de aka no.
Mama fa emba like
if man dey no be film what you say
yes it was your program the discrimination yeah both male and female was a women's football league no so
hono so bra
mama ko match the 10 emba league no the northern zone I call the northern zone northern ladies and prison ladies at the best chess Aliyu Mahama Sports Stadium.
Yes.
Sounds like Ashtown ladies and the Kumasi Sports Academy. Yes, at the best chess West School Park, Kumasi.
Yes.
Pemdakwa ladies and the Fabulous ladies.
Yes.
At the best chess Ohene Amayao.
Yes.
Parked Techiman.
Yes.
Yes, sounds like Supreme ladies and Pelopia ladies and the best chess Okese Park Ejiso. Mamenko the Southern Zone. The Southern Zone. Sea Lions Ebet no only Berry ladies Apple. Robert Mensah Sports Stadium.
Yes.
Samson Tender Queens FC only Hazakas ladies FC adventure so comes 8 park Tema na ye call immigration ladies and so any lady strikers adventure so McDonald Park Accra na soccer intellectuals and so any police ladies at the Aisha Edu Yao Assassin Park Jumaku. Yes. I don't know pictures are district.
All right. Man Latin say ne emre no ekọ o ti ase na ye be kai tie for say mumbra Bell GH page o ti ase na ye video na ase ne comment section no in fact we will be ready to host people who want to bet this weekend. What I say, odds be a person they ma special listeners or person bet this weekend. It's mumbra a page and I say you just leave your number there. Na yemfa I don't know and send now the weekend the sika kakra and me what I say na ubecha na sorry so cry na make I say GFA for the same be by a Premier League clubs no almost advanced tickets for this weekend round of fixtures no advanced tickets me problem they say Latif they say in some way cost no hooligans me yen to say you what you say and a ministry so they communicate by say anchor teams no crown no ton ticket they should sell to people with ID cards what you say because say me who say GFA any teams no agisan say na tum but I dey be omo dey hear adwuma be boa because you fight hooliganism you perceive etimi enemi ni ehemi you say etimi echi obi you say akwa we dey akwa di boni we say ni na ye mrem na tia say you dey na court ahwehwem ye bua ne fo ya mana so twen ama obi so tenchen odo so dey aya adisia onko football stadium enko ye you see in the weeks ahead no ye be kai ho say May 9th what I say e prove na just aya rehosem 20 years any coming knife May 9th be enemy 20 years the May 9th tragedy of 2001 20 years and eba celebrity yentimi ntina ho ma hooliganism and fast answer nem no emma ebio enti sorry so ani that DJ Kwap Sega ase professor obo echidom e dia to Facebook bibia ekoso bia na uko Facebook a semre kwabna obo echidom my fans o se Ghana Premier League is back Bell Power Sports no size and all my fans all my emojis be what I say be share tie for mra na mo mehwe de koso na afi no munya mo numbers ye the odds no fixtures ne predictions ne beba na mo nso matimi atwa na ama bibia akọ kama ye ka tie for say Bell graphics so ya sene na mo the black and white printing colored printing abedwaso photocopy envelope printing banner designing and printing t-shirts sticker printing, online passport registration, video coverage, video editing, online radio and TV installation. Bibia upebia no on betimi aboa e ogoma budura se wo call Africa so call we ba no wa mo ni fan so hwa 0591138711 055437636531 na me ka say Bell Graphics higher and so na Bell GH studio ya wo Bell radio ya sha ye didwuma Kama ebuetefo na Stadamera cleaning company so kitchen mopping bathroom cleaning vacuum cleaning office cleaning dusting home cleaning services de bre amanfo Sweden Gothenburg 467004 03390. Marcus Ventures open motor and car tracking device any akonfaba and you be a joker through some so unya bibia o de be track na che say baby o de be kwa kosi bia be kwa ko hu Sunday ma grand o de be kwa ko pia track e de be hu information e be bro omo biofuel omo che liquid soap and dito hair cream on be show detergent so na person so on be show omo e wo gomu abudubura 0546-433-306 and 0207-887-405 looking good salon so e de ensheye pa aba ama eti for almost trading say bra na bra be your bridal makeup party makeup sales of cream hair coloring hair treatment na person your nail cure nail art bia ukokot dollar on be boa 467-046-7034 say dwumakue adaroma enena anopay omso ya san de Bell Power Sports ebre wo DJ Kwapsega eboye chidom na naba kwabna etayechi na na ya Santana so etayechi ena Elder George enchi omuboa se ebe ya enema ewofi ha gina ebeto wano ne so okofo kode emene Latif Shakur ye de Bell Power Sports e de abrem esremo ukọ nkotodwanim na obompaya na obobia ma Bell Power Sports obobia ma Bell GHTV na obobia ma Ghana Sports Ghana Football yakra munyina.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. The day ratio more. They say a day what dog can want. And EJ can want.